Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 simple tips on how to reduce your cravings. Guys, if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing because every week I put out content on health, fitness, nutrition and mindset tips in order to help improve your life and take it to an extraordinary level. We all know we get cravings from time to time, especially when you're trying to reduce your calories or trying to lose weight, or even when you're training for a marathon. After you finish a long run, you feel really depleted and you want to eat everything possible. However, it's important to realize the difference between eating to fuel your body and eating just because you're having cravings. And one of the ways that you can actually decide this is my first tip is drink lots of water. When you drink lots of water, you will send a signal to your body and your stomach saying that it's full. And then after that, after about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you will realize if you are actually thirsty or hungry, because a lot of the time hunger can be disguised as thirst. And if you fuel your body with water, it'll help you decide if you're actually thirsty or hungry, and then you can decide what to do next. So an extra tip is that along with water, what you can do is have some carbonated water, put some lemon and salt in it and have that as well. That's a really effective way to reduce your cravings as well, because it again tricks your brain into thinking you're having sugars and your stomach, and tricks your stomach into thinking it's full. Number 2, eat a lot of low calorie, high fiber fruits. Now I love using this strategy a lot, and something that I do all the time. Some of my favorite fruits to eat are watermelon, pineapple, apples. They're all really high on the satiety index, particularly apples. It's like one of the top 10 foods in the satiety index. So apples actually keep you full for long, plus they've got lots of vitamin C and vitamins and minerals, and also water in it as well. Like I said guys, high fiber fruits are extremely good for you, especially the 3 that I mentioned, because they're low in calories, and they have good natural sugars as well. Watermelon is one of my favorites. Watermelon has I think about 100 grams, less than 50 calories. Another tip guys is eat a lot of high fiber vegetables. Now again, vegetables are super low in calories. They don't really have much fat or any carbohydrates much. They're obviously low in protein because they're not a protein source generally, unless you're eating like the beans and lentils and etc. You can make them in a clear soup or a soup and have them, and that's extremely healthy and extremely good for you, because again, you can have like a ton of these. You can have like 200-300 grams of this. Your stomach feels full, but you've eaten like 30 to 40 calories. Number 4 guys is to be able to drink black coffee or green tea or anything with a little bit of caffeine in it, because caffeine actually is an appetite suppressant. But obviously you need to be able to have it in a controlled amount of dose and not overdo it. But what I do in the morning is actually have a black coffee every day with a bit of sweetener, with zero calorie sweetener, and this helps kickstart my mood. My brain starts feeling good. It's a good way to be able to control your hunger cravings as well. If you're in the middle of the day, I recommend green tea instead of black coffee, because green tea is a little lower in caffeine. And it also keeps you because of the properties of green tea actually help increase your metabolism, which actually burn extra calories. So you're not only suppressing your appetite and decreasing your cravings, but you're also burning more calories. The other tip I have guys is actually to chew chewing gum, and I do this a lot actually. When you chew chewing gum, you get that sweetness in your mouth, and then you get that feeling of like, oh, I'm getting some sugars etc., but you're not actually consuming many calories. It's about 5 calories per piece of gum, so it's really very minimal. These are 5 or 6 simple tips to help reduce your cravings and help reduce your overeating. If you like this video guys, please do hit the like button and leave a comment on what you like to see. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, because I've got out a video every single week. Hit the bell notification button so you're notified of when the video comes out. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.